Okay, so this is the milk filling machine. Now I will show you the steps how to use it. You directly don't have to keep on turning on the switches. There is a process you need to follow. So start with first on the ceiling. So this is the vertical ceiling. एक पाउच दिखाना. See, so this is the vertical ceiling. You will this ceiling is done by the vertical jaw, and this side cuts is done by the horizontal jaw. So first step number one is, once you plug in the machine, press this, the machine will start, the PLC will start. Okay, then step 2, see, after you do complete step 1, it is initializing. Now the PLC is ready to use. So this is step 2. Now on the vertical jaw, this is the vertical jaw. Then second, on the horizontal jaw. So now the ceiling is on. Okay. Now after that, step number 2, on the motor. So now the motor has started. So still you can see that the motor has started, but the pouch is not pulling. So the pouch will start pulling with the rollers, and the roller will start pulling the pouches only when you on the clutch and brake. So now don't on the clutch and brake. Step number 1, on the main. Then step number 2, on the vertical jaw ceiling. Then on the horizontal jaw ceiling. Okay, then on the motor. Then after that, on the injection. So what is injection? Suppose your can is kept here, milk can. So this pipe will suck all the milk from through this pipe, and it will fill over here. So that will start with this injection. Once you start the injection, then only the milk will start filling inside. It will start feeding inside. So you need to start this. Then once you start this, then you on the clutch and brake. So once you on the clutch and brake, then it will start pulling. Okay, so it has started pulling. Now we'll not waste the pouches. We'll stop this. We'll off it. And now there are few more instructions you need to take care while using the machine. Now on this panel you can see one thing is remaining, that is feed. So I will explain feed now. Now on the pouches you can see this black thing, this black mark. So this is called a eye mark. If your pouch is having, suppose it is 250 ml, 100 ml, 500 ml, 1 liter. So accordingly your pouch manufacturer have to print and give you this on the pouch. So if you have this mark, so there is a sensor over here. This is called an eye mark sensor. So this will sense all the black marks. Okay, this will sense all the black marks, and the horizontal sealer will cut the pouches exactly over here. Okay, suppose you okay, so before I proceed, I will show you this eye mark setting. So now if you see on the PLC, it is E, the setting is E. That means wherever there is the black mark, the eye mark will sense it and cut it exactly over there. Suppose let's say now you do not have a eye mark sensor on the machine, or your pouches are not having the black mark over here. So your pouches are without the black mark. So what you need to do is you need to change this E by turning this once. Okay, so once you turn that, it has turned to T. T means timer. So basically here there is a feed option. So now it is at 350. So you need to always keep on doing R&D. So you have to waste few pouches. So if you are not having this mark, then it is quite difficult to achieve the right ml. So you have to waste many pouches to check what is the until unless you don't reach the right milliliters. So now it is 350 here. If you keep on increasing it, you will get bigger pouches. So there is no fixed setting for this. you need to waste pouches and decide whether on 350 you're getting 250 ml or whether on 400 you're getting 250 ml. So you have to keep on increasing. So based on our experience, 350 should give you 250 ml pouches like this. And if you double 350, suppose let's say you are making 600 or 650 over here, you keep on increasing this. So you will get a bigger pouch. And on 1000 and 1200 you will get 1 liter. So this is the setting for that. Only if, always remember, only if you do not have the black mark on your material. Okay, and if you have this, then you need not worry. Just switch this feed option. Now it is T. Just switch this to, turn it once, and now it is switched to E. E stands for eye mark sensor. So everywhere where this black mark is there, it will sense and cut exactly at the same place. Okay, now there is one more thing I need to explain, is that once you install the machine, once you install the machine and if it is ready to use, this is the pouch you have placed. Just remember the setting, have this video handy. And now once you put it inside the collar, the machine is ready to start. But when you begin, you will observe that there is the material, the milk or liquid is getting leaked from here. Okay, in that case what you need to do is you need to adjust the sealing temperature. Suppose if the material is getting leaked from here, from the vertical seal, then you change the, see if you can see on the PLC it's written VS. VS is vertical seal. So until and unless your product doesn't stop leaking, you need to keep on increasing the vertical seal. And same with horizontal seal. If you are not getting the right cut or if there is a leakage from here, so you need to keep increasing or lowering the, if it is overheating and leaking, so you need to reduce this horizontal seal. Okay, one more thing you need to remember, crucial thing is this jaw, it is always heating and cooling. So the cooling job is done by these pipes. So this pneumatic plastic pipes, we are passing water through this. So from here the water enters and it cools the jaw, and from here it again goes behind. So what you need, so to cool the jaw, this is the pump used. You need to take a small bucket, keep the bucket behind the machine and always submerge this pump. So what this pump will do, this pump will keep on transferring water. It will send the water to the jaw and it will again get it to the bucket. The connection of this vacuum pump is separate, so you need to have a separate connection for that. So there will be two pipes coming out. So here below the machine there is an arrangement, there is a nozzle, both the pipe you need to insert there. So and submerge the pump. So the pump will send the water to the jaw and again release the hot water from here, and it will keep cooling the jaw, the horizontal and the vertical jaw. Now let's see how to set the roll. We are removing this now. Once it reaches the facility, again fix it in the same way. So this is the way. Step number 1 from here below this, step number 2, then 3, like that, then from here it goes forward. So once the the material is coming in forward from behind, so then there is one roller down. So from behind directly you take it down, put it, fix it for this roller, and then again take it up, and then you get it forward like that, and then you set it in this collar and take it down. Then the roll will start, the pouch will start forming automatically. And let's say the machine is running, and while running you find any leakage or your material is getting wasted, what you need to simply do is just press this emergency and it will stop working.